This again has to do with the law of the land and immigration laws. Trump's Department of Homeland Security creates an office for victims of crimes committed by illegal immigrants, illegal aliens, people that come in without any documents, and obviously they don't pay taxes if they have any jobs, if they have at all jobs. In the meantime, they're enraged, they've got problems. This is a John Falkenberg article. The Department of Homeland Security. Trump DHS creates an office for victims of crimes committed by illegal aliens. DHS announced on Wednesday the creation of a new office specifically to help the victims of crimes committed by illegal immigrants. This is reported by the Daily Caller. The victims of these immigration crimes, Victims of Immigration Crime Engagement Office, is the result of an executive order by President Donald Trump. It was one of his campaign promises. It's intended to acknowledge and serve the needs of crime victims and their families who've been impacted by crimes committed by removable criminal aliens. This is according to the voice page of the ICE website. The page outlines the various objectives of the office to carry out and proposes the new program that appears to be laudable. According to the page, the objectives are these. 1. Use a victim-centered approach to acknowledge and support immigration crime victims and their families. Number 2, promote awareness of rights and services available to immigration crime victims. 3, build collaborative partnerships with community stakeholders assisting immigration crime victims. Number 4, provide quarterly reports studying the effects of the victimization by criminal aliens present in the United States. So you can see that this is very important, very huge. If anybody wants to do something good for the community, perhaps if they have the fortitude and the stomach for this, to go and volunteer to help out with all this. For years, it's been hard not to feel disappointed that the federal government valued the rights of illegal immigrants over the rights of American citizens. Now the times are changing. How can you value the rights of illegals who are committing these crimes against the rights of the people that are properly documented and live here according to the law of the land? Quote, the men and women comprising the Voice office will be guided by a singular, straightforward mission, and that is to ensure the victims and their families have access to releasable information about a perpetrator and to offer assistance explaining the immigration removal process. That's what the page says, and it adds, ICE wants to ensure those victimized by criminal aliens feel heard, seen, and supported, end quote. So it's nice to have a president who actually cares about what happens to the people he serves, to the people that are properly and legally entitled to live in the United States. This is on Conservative Tribune.